Children, we are going to discuss solved examples given on page number 21 of our science textbook. Let us start with the example number 1. The area of the bottom of a tiffin box is 0.25 meters square and weight is 50 Newton. Calculate the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf. Area is given as 0.25 meters square, weight of the box is 50 Newton, and we have to calculate the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf. Pressure is equal to force upon area, and pressure is equal to weight upon area. This is also correct. If you write pressure is equal to force oblique weight upon area, that is correct. So 50 Newton divided by 0.25 meter square. The answer is 200 Newton per meter square. The calculation part is shown on next slide. Pressure is equal to force upon area, 50 Newton divided by 0.25 meter square. When we remove decimal point from denominator, we have to put number of zeros in numerator. So we have removed decimal point from denominator. That's why the numerator has got 2 more zeros. So 50 number has become now 5000 divided by 25. 5000 is divisible by 25. So the answer comes as 200 Newton per meter square or 200 Pascal. So the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf is equal to 200 Newton per meter square or 200 Pascal. Is it clear to you all? Example number 2. Calculate the relative density of iron if the density of water is 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube and the density of iron is 7.85 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Given density of water 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube and density of iron is given as 7.85 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. We have to calculate relative density of iron. The formula for finding relative density of any object is equal to density of that object divided by density of water. So we will write the formula as relative density of iron is equal to density of iron upon density of water. Put the values and get the answer. So the calculation part I will explain you in next slide. Relative density of iron is equal to density of iron upon density of water. Now density of iron is given as 7.85 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube and it has to be divided by density of water and it is given as 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. So the number 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube, this number is common in both numerator as well as in denominator. So it will get cancelled. So the answer is 7.85. Relative density is the ratio of two physical quantities. So the final answer will not carry any unit. Example number 3. The area of the tip of a screw is 0.5 millimeter square and its weight is 0.5 Newton. Calculate the pressure in Pascal exerted by the screw on a wooden plank. Area is given as 0.5 millimeter square. Now we have to convert millimeter square into meter square. 1 millimeter square is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. So 0.5 is multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 number so as to convert millimeter square into meter square. Weight of the screw is 0.5 Newton and we have to calculate the pressure exerted by the screw on a wooden plank. Pressure is equal to weight upon area. 0.5 Newton upon 0.5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Again 0.5 number is common both in numerator as well as in denominator. So the number will get cancelled down, and 10 raised to minus 6, when it goes in numerator, the minus 6 index number will become positive 6. So the answer is 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square, or 10 raised to 6 Pascal. Next slide will help you to get the calculation. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter, and 1 millimeter square is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. 0.5 millimeter square is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Now is it clear to you how millimeter square has been converted into meter square? Pressure is equal to weight upon area. Weight is given as 0.5 Newton divided by 0.5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. 0.5 number will get cancelled, and we will get 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square as answer. So pressure exerted by the screw on wooden plank is equal to 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square, or 10 raised to 6 Pascal. We will discuss example number 4 and example number 5 in next video.